Product parts display. Use the installation tool to show. Unpack the blackboard and inspect the appearance of the board. Check for scratches and bumps. If there is any external damage, take photos and give feedback before installation. Remove the keyhole protective tape. Check the accessories of the assembly. Take the blackboard with keyhole and install the pulley. The pulley should be distinguished between left and right positions. Close to the edge of the blackboard. The upper and rear pulleys must all be fixed with rivets. The slider under the blackboard is also close to the corner of the blackboard. Differentiate the left and right sliders and fix them with rivets. Assemble the outer frame and the outer frame corners, and fix them with self-tapping screws. Completed frame assembly. Select the sliding plate and push it into the corresponding slideway. Install the frame. The outer frame of the blackboard is fixed with self-tapping screws. Take 2 fixed boards and place them on both sides of the blackboard close to the edge. Each inner panel is fixed with 4 Z-shaped components. Z-shaped component bevel and inner plate connection. The other side is connected to the border. To install the lock, you must first remove the lock ring. Insert the keyhole on the front of the blackboard. Use tools to level the 4 corners. The lock and the connecting parts are drilled with a 4.2 twist drill and fixed with rivets. Test on, off usage status. Cut the plastic frame corners appropriately according to the thickness of the large screen. Use a 12 mm diameter drill bit to drill holes. After drilling the hole, insert the expansion plug. Use tools to evenly secure the 6 brackets. Putting the blackboard on the wall requires collaboration from multiple people. Select the baffle to be placed on the upper or lower side of the large screen. The baffle is fixed with self-tapping screws on both sides. Fix support parts in the middle of the baffle to prevent shaking. The blackboard uses self-tapping screws to fix the 6 brackets. The dust box should be aligned with the dust hole and fixed with screws. The door handle is installed above the lock. The vertical height of both sides should be consistent. After fixing, put on the cap. Push the blackboard to about 5 mm away from the edge of the large screen and mark the position. Use screws on both sides to fix the limit stops in the card slots on the upper frame of the blackboard. Select the center of the blackboard frame to install the middle limit stop. Place the side seals on both sides of the blackboard close to the wall and fix them. After installation, self-check the blackboard's push-pull and firmness. Cleaning the site. On-site delivery acceptance.